This is Train Sirens 1. This is my Federal Single Modulator 6048 a day after lightning strike. The lightning strike struck the pole and the modulator, going through these two controllers and battery chargers that were connected, but at that time already got out the amps and everything. I think most of the amps are damaged. I'm not sure. I have not tested them. The motherboard was tested, but it had severe damage. I thought it wasn't damaged, but as I looked closely for the board, it's got damage. So, and the motherboard has been shipped to a siren enthusiast who's saying he's going to try to repair the motherboard. If the motherboard gets fixed, there's a possibility I could get this thing back online. I doubt it. I really just doubt it, because I already started on tearing the unit down. This whole modulator is completely disconnected from the speakers drivers, so the old speaker drivers are still inside, which I'm probably going to have to replace all of them in the future, since I believe all of them are no good. I have some speaker drivers I could try to throw in, but it won't be enough. Not even half. I don't even have half. Maybe a quarter a spare speaker drivers I had. That's probably it. There is a possibility I could try to get this thing working, but it just looks like a doubt. Another thing I could do to it is convert it to a Modulator 2008, which I really hope I don't have to do that. It just depends. I'll just show the amplifier's aftermath. Here's half the amps off the MCP modular control box. So yeah, some of them look like they're severely damaged. Like, it's not this one. This one. There's a mark right there. And here's the others. It's not all of them. It's usually about, I think, 8 for each amps. So I think I forgot to mention, if I can't fix the Modulator 6048, I'm gonna plan on moving it to the siren graveyard, where my other parts, sirens, and other siren stuff are there. So that would be planned, either to try to get fixed if I'm lucky, or just move it to siren graveyard. And I think that's it.